I'm Becker. Welcome to the final episode of Becker's Easy Eats Season 6. Today, we are making something I personally enjoy making and eating, glazed pork belly with chestnuts. Let's make it together. Join me in my kitchen.
Screenshot this recipe or copy from the description section below. Prepare the aromatics. Cut the green onion, ginger, and garlic. Slice the pork belly into medium-sized cubes. In a pot of water, add the pork belly, ginger, garlic, green onion and salt.
Before we continue, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bell on.
Bring the water to boil and blanch the pork for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove the pork and discard the water and aromatics. Wash the pork pieces to remove the scum. With a bit of oil, fry the pork for a few minutes to render the fat. Dip in the brown sugar and stir until melted and caramelized. Add water enough to cover the pork. Pour in rice wine, soy sauce, 5 spice powder, and bay leaves. Cover and braise for about 30 minutes. Continue cooking with the lid off. Remove the bay leaves and adjust the seasoning as needed. Add the cooked and peeled chestnuts. Continue braising until the meat is completely tender and sauce becomes thicker. To serve, place pork and chestnuts on top of cooked rice. Spoon the delicious sweet savory sauce on top. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and garnish with green onion.
I am sure you will enjoy this hearty bowl of glazed pork belly with chestnuts. Thank you for watching this episode, and thank you for following Becker's Easy Eat Season 6. See you again in the next season.